Mike Burke. I'm the product line manager for the Vulcan Steam division. The biggest advancement to come out of the steam group in the last few years has to be the Power Steam series steamer. The Vulcan Power Steam technology was developed here in Troy, Ohio, and it incorporates superheating the steam before it goes into the cooking compartment. The advantage of cooking with superheated steam or 235-degree steam is faster cook times. And at the end of the day, that's what our operators are looking for. For example, we've had operators who prepare fresh whole broccoli in a normal steamer, and they realize cook times of 3.5 to 4 minutes. When we put a Power Steam series steamer into their operation, their cook times drop down to 2 to 2.5 minutes for that same product. We manufacture all of our steam cookers here in Troy, Ohio. The pride in our workforce is just amazing. We're a Midwestern company with a Midwestern work ethic. The team at Vulcan has done an amazing job to give you the best steamer in the marketplace, and this thing rocks.